How to turn off age restrictions on X account. Let's get started. Launch your X app. In the case you have set your date of birth below 18 years, you have to change it. So go ahead and click on this profile icon given at the top left corner. Now click on this option of profile. Now head towards this option of edit profile. Now head towards the section of birth date. Click on continue. Now from this page you have to update your birthday above 18 years. Once you do that, you can click on continue. Likewise, another thing you want to do is launch your preferred browser. Now type in x.com and search for it. Now click on sign in. Now type in your X account's credentials and log into your account. You have to customize a setting that is only available in the web version of X. Now click on this profile icon given at the top left corner. Now click on this option of settings and privacy. Click on this option of privacy and safety. Go ahead and click on this option content you see. Now you have to check in for this option display media that may contain sensitive content. Once you do that, you will be good to go. With this, you have just turned off age restrictions on X account. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can easily turn off age restrictions on X account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.